Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is the last video of the 370Z headlamps. We are finally gonna sand the lens down and get them ready to shoot some clear on the headlamps. I can't wait to finish this off so that I can see them on the car. Enjoy the video.
A few moments later.
So the 370Z headlamps are done. They look amazing. I am really happy with the outcome. They look spectacular on this car. At the moment that I shot these videos, there was no aftermarket headlamps that I could buy for this car. There is a new headlamp that just came out aftermarket. I like it, but I like what I did on mine better. I wanted to leave you guys with a little sneak peek of a little something that I've been working on while I was editing these videos of the 370Z headlamps. I am really happy with this that I'm about to show you. It's the first time I've done something like this. Most of the things that I've been doing is the first time I try to do them, and I'm really happy with the way that everything is turning out so far. This is not on my 370Z, this is on my Genesis Coupe, and what I've been doing is modifying the steering wheel. So if you guys want to know how this is done, don't miss the next videos. They're not 370Z related, but you can apply this to any steering wheel. Check this out. So what I've done here is I have made a flat bottom steering wheel, and I have gone ahead and applied carbon fiber to the top and the bottom surface. This has not been an easy process, but I am really pleased with the outcome. It's been time consuming, but I mean, it looks amazing. Check this out. I'm not done yet. I mean, I still have a couple more steps to do, but you can get an idea of what I'm working on here. So if you want to learn how to do this, please stick around, subscribe and follow the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.